Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing contaminants and assessing the damage so paint will adhere. Once clean, sand the chip with 400-800 grit to remove loose paint and feather the edge. This creates a smooth transition. Make sure to mask at least 2-3 inches beyond the repair to protect trim. Then prepare your touch-up paint. Shake well for 1 to 2 minutes and test on a card. Apply the first thin coat quickly. You want coverage without runs, because thin layers build better than one heavy pass. Once the first coat has flashed, continue adding multiple thin coats to build color and thickness. This prevents sagging and helps match sheen. You should wait about 10-20 minutes between coats depending on temp and product instructions. Use a fine brush or toothpick for tight areas and dab rather than drag to avoid ridges. When the base color visually matches surrounding panels, switch to a thin, clear coat, 1 to 3 light passes, so the finish begins to gain depth and UV protection. You finish by letting paint cure fully, often several hours to overnight. Then wet sand with 1,500-3,000 grit to remove orange peel and level the repair. After sanding, polish with a rubbing compound and then a fine polish to restore gloss. Make sure to blend progressively into the surrounding paint to avoid a hard edge. Apply wax or sealant after 24-48 hours of cure for protection. If the color or texture still looks wrong, re-sand the spot lightly and repeat the precise.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.